Cowboy 1-1, Amendola Tower, you are cleared for takeoff. Runway 11, depart heading 065. Cowboy 1-2, Amendola Tower, hold short. Cowboy 1-2, Amendola Tower, position and hold. Runway 11. Amendola Tower, you are cleared for takeoff. Runway 11, depart heading 065.
Warning, 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 warning.
Cowboy 1-2, Amendola departure, resume own navigation. Cowboy 1-1, Amendola departure, resume own navigation.
Cowboy 1-1, declaring an emergency.
Cowboy 1-1, Amendola
Altitude,
approach,
altitude,
copy emergency.
altitude,
You are cleared for landing.
altitude.
Runway 11, good luck. Good morning, Cowboy 1-1, Amendola Tower, cleared for landing. Runway 11, check gear down. Cowboy 1-1, abort landing, vector 220. Contact approach when able to divert to your alternate.
Cowboy 1-2, inbound for landing.
Cowboy 1-1, Amendola Tower, next time get a clearance before landing.